In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet project tracking and rollup. We'll start right from the Smartsheet homepage. Once you're signed in and you're on the home screen, look toward the area where you can create something new. Here, you'll see an option that takes you into templates. Click on the option to view all templates so we can use one that's already set up for project tracking. Inside the template gallery, there's a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and type Project Tracking. This narrows the gallery down to templates specifically designed for managing tasks, timelines, and status. From the results, select the template called Project Tracking and Rollup. This template gives you not just a project sheet, but also reports and a dashboard that summarize your work. Next, click on Create from Template. Smartsheet will add a solution set to your workspace with everything grouped together. Once it's created, open the item labeled Setting Up Project Tracking and Rollup. This usually contains a quick overview of how the solution is structured, so it's a helpful reference as you go. Now open the sheet called Project Plan. This is where you'll manage your actual tasks. In this sheet, start by clicking into the task name column to add or update the tasks you want to track. Each row represents a task or milestone in your project. Move across to the Assign To column and select the person responsible for each task. This is important because it ties into your reports and dashboard later. Next, click into the Status column. Here you'll choose options like Not Started, In Progress, Completed, Canceled, or On Hold. Be consistent with how you update these because the rollup relies on these values. As you work, you may see prompts asking whether to save changes when you move between items. If you haven't made meaningful updates, you can choose not to save. Otherwise, save your changes before navigating away. Once some tasks are entered, go back to the solution set and open the report called Task Rollup. This report pulls tasks from your project plan into a single view so you can see everything across the project. You'll also see additional reports such as Project Milestones, which highlights key dates, and At-Risk Tasks, which focuses on items that may be delayed or problematic. Finally, open the Project Tracking and Rollup dashboard. Here, you'll see charts and metrics, including a percentage complete widget. Clicking on that percentage or other highlighted widgets lets you drill into the underlying reports. As you keep your project plan updated with task names, owners, and statuses, this dashboard will automatically reflect your project's overall health and progress.